Hello everyone, Hong here, and once again welcome back to the channel and another unboxing video. On the very same day when Apple Singapore listed up the new MacBook Pro onto their website, I logged in, customized it to the specs that I needed and wanted, which was basically to max it out to near maximum levels, keyed in my credit card information and watched in real time my bank account take a massive hit. But after a whole bunch of delays by Apple, it has finally arrived. But it has been sitting on this very table, for 3 weeks. So I think it's about time that we open it up and see what's on the inside. Oh yeah. So inside the box, you obviously have your MacBook Pro. Now the new MacBook Pro comes in two different sizes, 14 and 16. What I've got here is the 16. It's also powered by two different Apple chips, basically the M1 Pro and the M1 Max. The latter being the slightly more powerful one, which is also equipped inside. Aside from the laptop, you also get your instruction guide, the power brick, and also the power cable. Now finally, Apple decided to bring back the MagSafe, which is something all Apple MacBook and MacBook Pro users used to enjoy. Did not have it for the previous generation, but thank goodness it is back. So a few months back, I posted up an unboxing video of my new M1 iMac, replacing my 11-year-old Intel Core i5 iMac, and I've been absolutely in love with it ever since. I've also posted up a follow-up review video with some macOS tips and tricks. If you've not seen those videos, do check them out, the links are in the description. While the M1 iMac has been performing really well, it is still after all a desk-bound computer, which means it's not portable. And for myself, the portability factor of a Mac is very important for my workflow, especially when wanting to edit photos and videos on the go. But after 8 long years, my 2014 16-inch MacBook Pro is no longer able to live up to its expectations. While everything still works fine, there is a need to catch up to technological advances, such as the higher resolution coming out from cameras and cell phones. Another reason for upgrading is that nowadays newer products and accessories come with the USB-C to USB-C cable, and not the slower and older USB-A. So the new MacBook Pro will have no compatibility issues. Okay, let's take a closer look. Hello. As mentioned earlier, the specs I got for my new MacBook Pro have pretty much been spec'd up to the max, with the exception of its internal storage. It is equipped with a 10-core CPU, 32-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. It also has its unified memory upgraded from the standard 32GB to the highest possible 64GB. The laptop opens up to a large 16.2-inch Liquid Retina Extreme Dynamic Range XDR display with ProMotion adaptive refresh rates of up to 120Hz, and is fitted with 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, an SDXC card slot, as well as the much-loved MagSafe 3 port. All these internal components should make for seamless multitasking and significantly faster photo and video editing. The total weight of the new 16-inch MacBook Pro weighs in at about 2.1 kilograms, which is not too bad for something as powerful as this, while battery life is rated for an impressive 21 hours. Now this is my first MacBook Pro in this space gray color and I absolutely love it. You can see the color difference between the space gray and the silver right here. This is my older 2014 MacBook Pro. As mentioned earlier, everything in my new MacBook Pro has been spec'd up to the maximum level with the exception of internal storage. For that, I prefer to use an external SSD because it is significantly cheaper and just as fast. Okay, now that setup has been completed, it is time now for me to yank the SD card out from the camera, pop it inside to edit this video you're watching. I will be doing a follow-up review video, so if you want to stay tuned, please consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, if you've liked the video, like the video. Take care and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.